everyone, welcome to the belly fat burn routine. Get ready, we start in 5. Let's begin with squats.
Let's go. Halfway there. Rest. Rest. Get ready. Let's go. Keep that core engaged as you step side to side. Swing those arms with energy and maintain that steady pace. Halfway there.
Rest.
Get ready. Let's go. Halfway there.
Rest.
Whoa. Get ready. Let's go. Step behind and across, keeping your core tight for balance. We're halfway there. Keep that chest lifted. Halfway there.
Rest.
Get ready. Let's go. All right, team, we're doing the triceps extension step back. Keep this pace up. We have 20 more seconds. Halfway there.
Rest.
Get ready. Let's go. Keep going, you're doing great. Alternate, crunch and release. Feel that burn in your obliques. Stay focused. Halfway there. Rest period. Take a deep breath, grab some water if you need it. We're getting ready for the final push. Stay motivated. Get ready. Last one. Keep those punches fast and strong. Twist that core. Come on, maximum effort, finish strong. Halfway there. Want faster results? Bookmark this link and do this every day for the next 30 days. Did you like this video? Please give it a thumbs up. And that's the end of our session. Always remember to keep going and prioritize your health. You've got this. Let's get this started. Remember, we have 3 sets. Dig deep and let's go. Twist and punch. Feel that burn in your core. Keep smiling and breathe through it. Halfway there. Get ready. Let's go. Let's keep this energy up. Swing those arms and step side to side. Engage that core. We're almost there. Halfway there. Get ready. Let's go. Halfway there.
Rest.
Get ready. Halfway there.
Rest.
Get ready. Let's go. Halfway there. Please like and comment.
Rest.
Get ready. Let's go. Halfway there. Rest. Hal, get ready. Last one. Let's go. Halfway there. Did you like this video? Please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Amazing work today. Don't forget to follow us on social media for more inspiration. Stay healthy, stay fit, and I'll see you next time. You're doing great, and keep that energy up. If you enjoyed this session, please remember to like and subscribe for more workouts. Twist and crunch. Left elbow to right knee. Hold it there, feel the core engage, and release. Stay positive. Alternating punches, let's go. Fast as you can. Keep that energy up, we are almost there.
Do this every day for the next 30 days.
You crushed it. Incredible work finishing strong. Now, inhale deeply with me and exhale. Come join the community. Hit subscribe and let's keep this energy going. Commit to this every day for a month. Check out my other quick workouts. And that brings me to my main point, consistency. It is the key to unlocking your flat stomach goals. And take a deep breath in, reach for the ceiling. And as you exhale, slowly release your arms down. See you in the next workout. Ready to burn? Let's go. Step right, then left. Keep moving with me. Let's take it slow. Twist and punch. Great job keeping that form. And switch sides. You got this. Keep stepping side to side and swinging those arms. Pull your shoulders back now, posture check. Keep smiling, you've got this.
Standing bicycle crunch. Now squeeze your core. Exhale. And again, squeeze.
Finish strong. Land softly on your toes. See how I keep it light and controlled. You've got this. Feel the burn in your arms. Almost there, don't stop. Seven moves, 5 minutes, total core burn. Let's move. We twist, inhale here, and punch, exhale, alternate sides. Keep the rhythm going and as you slowly lower into the curtsy lunge, focus on keeping your chest lifted and your spine neutral. Hold for stability. You're halfway to a flatter stomach. Swing those arms fully forward and back. You got this. Maintain that rhythm for the full range of motion. Feel that squeeze right here. If you're feeling the burn, hit that like button. Hadi, Night Hadi Monify Radio is Talk. Do these 3 things to see your results even faster.
Great job today. If you're ready for more, follow me. I'll see you tomorrow.
Pivot that foot for a deeper twist. Swing those arms big and wide, just like this. Really open up the shoulders, but keep them relaxed. Great job. Engage the core. Keep that belly tight. Lower down, holding at 90 degrees. Make sure your form is correct, then push through your front heel to rise and switch sides. Step back, squeeze your triceps. Release. Step back with the left, squeeze. Maintain that tension in the arms. Twist from the waist. Fast punches now, stay light on your feet. You've got this, keep pushing. A strong core is for more than just looks.
Consistency is the secret ingredient. I'll see you here tomorrow.
Twist and turn, keep that core stable. Remember the cue, don't sway your hips. You got this. Inhale out, exhale in. Keep moving. Almost to the next move.
This is your time to relax and reset. Breathe deeply with me. Gently stretch your neck side to side.
Drive through the heel of your standing leg. Now, squeeze your glutes. Feel that activation right here.
Right, team, focus on speed and accuracy. Drive those alternating punches right through the center of the target. Keep it fast, keep it clean.
Work out with a friend for better results.
Soft knees, everyone. Protect those joints and power up your punches. Let's increase the intensity now. Jab, cross, jab, cross. No excuses. Everyone has 5 minutes. And that's it, everyone. Great job today. You did amazing.